Hello, this is Mike Versionis. I'm going to show how to get a report from Power BI into ArcGIS. So this is a single and summary report, and it's designed to be uh, such that it can be joined in ArcGIS, which allows you to query by these things like time-based area and whatnot. So I'll take you through it. It's pretty straightforward. First thing you do is you get into the report in Power BI and the web browser, and you go here after accessing the report and go ahead and export the data right here. The data with current layout. Export that. You can see data to XLSX is there. Okay, so I won't, this is my download folder, my file is, so you go to ArcGIS Pro, and what we can do is run a tool. If you go here to Tools and Analysis, type in Excel, there is a tool in here called Excel Table. You open this guy up, you navigate to your input file, navigate to the folder where that Excel file is. So what was it? It was called data 2. Refresh here. There it is right there. Okay. If you want to, you can rename it. Just put a table in your local Scratch geodatabase, which is all already there. You got to choose the sheet. There's only one sheet in there. It's called export. You don't have to fill these in. You hit run, and what you get is a table here. I'll open that up and have a look at it, and you can see that I have about 1,950 records. If you look at the scan layer where we used, it's got 1,951, so that's pretty darn close. There must be one feature missing for some reason or other, maybe a blank scan number in the report or something like that. So there we are. We have that table. So now this can be joined to the scan polygon layer. Whoops. So we'll go ahead and we'll right click on this, and we will add join. And we'll do this by stand ID. We'll grab the table and join by stand ID. You can hit validate join. It'll tell you if join will work or not. If you're having problems, that's something you can do. So here you are. It joined, and now you have all that data extended onto each stand. You can take other stuff and remove it here and kind of clean this up. You can rename stuff. Get this second stand ID out of here. And then what you can do here is, like, let's say I want to query all scan polygons with greater than 100 basal area. Time basal area, excuse me. Okay, and you can see here we can do that now. And those stands are selected in the map. So you can label by these join fields. You can query multiple fields together, and all kinds of stuff you can do. You can map by those fields, make the colors, for instance, to show stands by a high basal area, for instance. Let's just do basal area in general, and let's do make the high basal area stand red, for instance. You can see those ones we queried there. Kind of reddish because they're high in basal area, pine basal area. So, and yellow would be low. So take a Power BI single line report, and you can get into GIS, join it up, and use it to map and query with. Thank you. See you next time.